So, welcome back to the Beer Academy, and today we are continuing our topic of the cell structure. And आज हम बात कर रहे हैं cell membrane की, right? So, the cell membrane is like the security check system of the cell in the sense that it allows what goes in and out. ठीक है? So, it allows the selective movement of molecules and materials through it. And the selectivity depends upon the composition of the cell membrane, which we are going to look at in a bit. Although the plasma membrane, this is the alternative name of the cell membrane, is not an organelle, it is a very important component of the cellular structure. It is a biological membrane which encloses the cell and separates the inner environment of the cell from the outside environment while exhibiting selective permeability. So if we look here, we have the structure of the cell membrane, which mostly consists of these yellow molecules called phospholipids, जिनकी हम अभी डिटेल में जाएंगे. And then there are some peripheral proteins. There are integral proteins जो that span the length of the membrane. पूरी की पूरी membrane नीचे से ऊपर तक उसके across integral proteins जाते हैं. फिर certain channel proteins होते हैं जो कि certain molecules या ions को allow करते हैं to go in and out of the membrane. You have an alpha helix protein, there's a globular protein over here, then you have glycoproteins and carbohydrates, right? So, phospholipids. So, what are phospholipids? ठीक है ना? So, they are basically phosphatidylcholine molecules that have a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail, right? And they form in the form of a bilayer. So, यहाँ पे एक ऐसे है और फिर उसके opposite एक ऐसे है, तो दो layers बनती है. पहली layer है और ये दूसरी layer है. So that's why it's called a bilayer. So the unique property of phospholipids is their dual nature. They are hydrophobic as well as hydrophilic at the same time. Their heads are hydrophilic and their tails are hydrophobic. The head, yeah, phospho portion is hydrophilic and water soluble, and the tail, yeah, lipid portion is hydrophobic, matlab water repelling. So this property accounts for the selective transport of molecules across the cell membrane. So, how do phospholipids arrange themselves, forming the cell membrane? Because of their dual nature, when they are dissolved in water, they arrange themselves in such a way that the hydrophobic portion is less exposed to water, matlab it's on the inside. जैसे आप grey tails इनकी देख सकते हो, they are on the inside. While the hydrophilic heads, जो कि ऊपर हैं, और ये वाले अंदर नीचे वाले साइटोप्लाज्म की तरफ हैं, and they are towards the exterior of the cell, both of which